Tesla Cybertruck spotted doing straight-line acceleration runs. The Tesla Cybertruck's acceleration has been demonstrated in a new video shot by a drone operator. The short video shows the Cybertruck driving on the company's test track located outside the Fremont factory in California. And it looks like one of the things Tesla is focusing testing on at the moment is straight-line acceleration. Guess how fast the Cybertruck accelerates? Formerly Twitter user OMG Tesla wrote in the tweet that included the test track footage. In the video, we can see the electric pickup truck stopping at the start of the track's long straight and then performing a standing start and accelerating swiftly to the end of the straight line. It appears that the Tesla Cybertruck was under heavy acceleration for about 10 seconds before the driver relented approaching the first turn. Of course, this is not the first time we've seen the Cybertruck being tested on the Fremont track, with several independent drone operators sharing this sort of footage in the past. We've also seen Elon Musk driving the Cybertruck on the same test track a few days ago as he was giving a ride to Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and his wife Sarah. Does this mean that the start of customer deliveries is imminent? We surely hope so. But time is running out for deliveries to begin by the end of Q3 as Elon Musk anticipated earlier this year. Tesla's CEO said in April that a Cybertruck handover event would be held toward the end of the third quarter, which means late September. However, with only a week remaining until the end of the month, that's not looking very likely. A rumor making the rounds is that initial deliveries will start sometime in October. One off-road enthusiast who recently filmed two Cybertrucks testing at an off-road park in Northern California claims that the Tesla engineers told him deliveries should start in October. You should obviously take that with a grain of salt, but that's all we've got right now in the absence of official confirmation. One thing is certain. Until the Cybertruck gets the certificate of conformity from the EPA and the crash-worthiness assessments from the NHTSA, Tesla cannot officially begin deliveries. Source: reposted and summarized from Dan Mihalascu at Inside EVS.